You guys are going to like this one. A little something for you today. Share a smile. Buy a coffee for the guy maybe in back. You leave a little note for a friend or coworker. Just a few ways to celebrate World Kindness Day. It first started in 1998 as a way to highlight good deeds in communities across the globe, including right here in the tri-state. And I asked last night during my Facebook Live if any of you would share something very kind someone's done for you. Could be simple, could be something else. Here's what some of you said. Lauren says a couple years ago, someone paid for her meal at McDonald's. And she says she's so thankful because the people who paid, had no idea she had her infant son in the car with her right after he had just gotten treatment for pediatric cancer at Cincinnati Children's. And Melissa says her family in Cincinnati took her and her 4 kids into their care after her military husband died, even helping her find a home builder in town. And Erica says when her husband passed away, all his military brothers took her kids out and spent the day doing all the dad stuff that they missed out on. Really, really great stuff. So thanks for sharing those